Good morning to all my dear students. As we know that we are studying about the chapter arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, in last class we studied about to find the sum of first n term of the given AP. So formula to find the sum of first n term of the given AP is Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And there is another formula also. If last term of the given AP is given, then we can use this formula also. Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus L, where a is what? A is the first term, L is the last term, n is the position of the terms, and d is the common difference. So let's see the question number 2, which are based on these formulas. As we have given, S is given list of the number is 7 plus 10 whole 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84. So here the value of A is 7, and value of D means how to find the value of common difference. Common difference means T2 minus T1. So when we are finding the T2 minus T1, that means 10 whole 1 upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 21 upon 2 minus 7. And by, as we know that there is the number in this number, as there is no denominator, so to get the subtraction of this number, we have to make the denominators same. So we will take the LCM. So LCM means we need here 2, so we will multiply by 2 and this also by 2, then it becomes 21 minus 14 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. So as in this type of question, what's the last number is given here, we can write as Tn, yeah, last term L. So Tn, the formula, the Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of Tn we have to put 84 plus a the 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 upon 2. So then we can write it as by changing this side to this side and this side to this side without changing the sign. Then it is n minus 1 into 7 upon 2 plus 7 is equal to 84, and n minus 1 is equal to 84 minus 7 upon 2 upon 2 by into 2 by 7. So n minus 1 is coming 22. 11 into 2, that is 22, and this one will go to that side, it becomes 22 plus 1 23. It means in this list of the number there are 23 terms. So now as we know that in this question, when we are doing the question of these things, when your last term is given, then we have to use the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus L. This formula we have to use, and here last term is given, last term is 84, value of a is 7, and n is from here 32. Now we can use this formula here. By using these formulas, we got here 23 upon 2, 7 plus 84, that is 23 upon 2 is into 91, so it is equal to 2093 upon 2, and by dividing we can also write in one mixed fraction as 1046 whole 1 upon 2. So at last we have to write the answer in this way: 7 plus 10 whole 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84 is equal to 1046 whole 1 upon 2. Now the second question, I took that from the third question part 2. In third question, what is given in the question, we have given value of a is equal to 7 and the value of a 13, means 13 term is given 35. We have to find the value of d and as sum of first 13 terms. So in this question, given a is 7 and 13 term is 35, and the common difference is not given here, so we can suppose it as d. So let common difference is d. So now as we know, when the terms, sum of the terms is given, then we have to use the formula there. So for here in this question 13 term is given, that means we have to use the term formula. We can write Tn an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So from a13 it is clear 30th n is 13, so a13 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of this n we are writing 13 because the term is 30th. So in a30 term is 35, so 35 is equal to 7 plus 12d. 7 plus 12d is equal to 35, and 12d is equal to 35 minus 7, and 12d is equal to 28, and then by cancelling d, value of d comes to be 7 upon 3. Now we have to find the sum of 30 terms. For sum of 30 terms, the last term is not given here. If last term is not given here, then we have to use this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then s13 is equal to 13 upon 2. 2a is 7, 2 into 7 plus, and n is 13. 13 minus 1 into d. D is, we got 7 upon 3. So by simplifying this, we got the value is 13 upon 2, 14 plus 28, that is 42, and by cancelling between 21 and by multiplying 21, it comes to equal to 273. So in this way we got the value what the question answer they need. We need the value of d is 7 upon 3 and s13 is 273, and this is the so on the basis of these both the types, you have to solve the question number second. This question already I did. Now you have to do the question number second and question number third. If any confusion there, then you can talk to me and you can WhatsApp these questions where you are getting the confusion. And then the second part, which question I did this part, second question. So on the basis of same method and same formula, you have to solve all these questions. If any more confusion is there, any difficulty there, you can tell me personally on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.